Hello guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you something that is very important. I want to talk about this platform called Bumble. But before we dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Without wasting any time, let's get started. I have a question for you guys, especially South Africans. When will you learn? Every year people fall for the same scams over and over again, and I know it's because of unemployment and desperation. However, as someone who posts about online jobs or online living, I feel that I have to talk about this. I have to bring awareness because people are losing money online. There is a website called Bumble. It has over 2 million South African members. People have been using this website to earn money by doing daily tasks and also investing. On this platform, they have different levels. The higher you go, the more tasks you can do, subsequently making more money. What's interesting is that for you to be able to withdraw money from this platform, you must have a security balance. So tell me, why do you need a balance or security balance for you to withdraw? If you worked hard for your money, why can't you withdraw it all? They claim that you are getting paid to like and share other people's posts on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. But how you do this, you just click auto process and it's done. I have seen sites where people are paid to like other people's videos or posts. You actually have to go there and click like. But with this platform, you just have to click auto process and you are also sharing. My question is, if you don't have Instagram account, Twitter account, or even Gmail, how are you liking and sharing, and where are you sharing this content to? Thirdly, in order to make it on this platform, you need to recruit other people, and the more people join, the higher you climb. They also offer an investment option where you get crazy returns. If you invest in stocks and cryptocurrency, you'll know that you don't get that percentage even in a year. It's really sad to see that even in 2021, despite having content creators such as Nicolette Noguhle, people are still not educated enough when it comes to investing. This is why other nations come to South Africa to scam us, because we refuse to educate ourselves, especially those who have access to the internet. What is your excuse? People have invested thousands and even millions on these platforms, and what's interesting is that Bumble also shows how much other people are putting in. You'll see the last digits of their card and the amount that they are putting in, or the amount that they are depositing. Now tell me, have you ever seen on Easy Equity or any other investing platform, have you ever seen other people's amounts or how much they invested? And why is that on this platform, when you're investing or depositing money, they are showing other people how much is being deposited? They are doing this to lure people into depositing more money, because if you see someone depositing or investing 20,000 rands and you want to put in 1,000 rands, chances are you will put that 1,000 rands, because what is 1,000 rands relative to 20,000 rands? And if they didn't take their 10,000 rands, why would they take your 1,000 rands? That's their strategy, to play with your mind. It's psychological. It is not the first scam, and it's not going to be the last, because people refuse to educate themselves. People want quick cash. There are many legit opportunities to earn online. You can actually make money, but you have to do the work. You can't just earn money by clicking auto process. What's even sad is that some people are aware that this may be a scam. They don't even put their own money. They don't deposit. They only make money from daily tasks and also recruiting other people. The money they're getting paid comes from other people who deposited into the platform. So they're dashing you out money you didn't work for. You think you did some work, but you are getting free money, and this free money is from other fellow South Africans. Guys, the people who are behind this whole thing are very smart. They know that human beings are greedy when it comes to money. So if they pay you some money, you're gonna believe that it's real, and you're gonna recruit more people, or you're gonna deposit more money so that you can move to the next level and earn more money. I just want to say this: if you're aware that this Bumble platform may be a scam or it's too good to be true, but you are still recruiting people and still withdrawing money, you are not different from these Bumble people. You are enabling Bumble to keep taking from the desperate. Right now, Bumble is following the same steps as the other scam I warned you about, which is mirror trading. Their website is currently not working, and two things are going to happen. It's either they're going to come back, and when they come back, they're going to continue paying some people money. Most people will believe that this company is real or is legit, so they're going to put more money and continue to invite more people. Or they are not coming back. It's over. All the money that you put in is gone. Guys, I know working is not nice, but you need to understand that there is no easy way to this life. You can't just wake up in the morning, then boom, you have the money just by clicking auto process, and then you're getting paid and you think that's legit. And even if you are getting paid or you are able to withdraw the money, it's not going to be sustainable because you are not doing any work. Some people go as far as convincing their parents and grannies to put money to this platform or similar platforms, and those people are about to lose their money. Imagine working your whole life just to lose it all on this one platform like Bamboo. It is so selfish, especially if you are suspecting that this may be a scam, but you're just hoping that it's gonna be around for a while. Please stop doing that. Stop taking advantage of people who have no idea how to make money online. With most legit online jobs, it's either going to do a test or they're going to pre-screen you. So please be careful, not just with Bamboo, but with any other similar platform. With the current lockdown, a lot of people are going to be tempted to double or triple their savings. Please don't be tempted by quick money. It does not exist. It's only gonna work for so long. Please share this video, especially during these times where more people are desperate and are more likely to fall for these scams. Let's stop taking advantage of each other and taking from each other. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'm gonna try to reply as soon as I can. And for more legit online jobs, don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.